Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your ADP employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in ADP Employee Login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as adp.com. In my case, it's the first one. Now tap on all logins. Then scroll down a little. Then tap on employee login. And here, you need to provide your user ID to log into your account. So go ahead and type your user ID in the text field given for user ID. You can check this box that says remember my user ID so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. After you're done providing your user ID, tap on the next button. Then you need to provide your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your password in the text field given for password, then hit next. And you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.